What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5. In today's video, guys, we do have another update on Memecoin, which has pumped up 18% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at just over 3 cents. So we're going to be looking at, is this the recovery for Memecoin after it's taken a little bit of a step back over the last week or so? As you guys can see, let's have a look at the monthly chart. We can see it did hit up about just over 3 cents here, and then dropped back down all the way down to 2 cents, and right now slowly starting to recover. So we're going to be looking at how high is it likely to go over the coming hours, days, weeks, and so on, and also looking at its prediction going into 2024. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Binance website looking at the candlestick pattern chart, and we're going to be going through its prediction and also covering both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at its predictions as well. And also, I want you guys to comment down below your takes on this crypto before I give mine, just to see what your predictions are as well. So before I go any further, guys, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So we are looking at the daily chart. We are going to zoom into the hourly chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to that. Actually, we're going to zoom into the 15-minute chart and then go through the hourly, 4-hour and the daily chart as well for the next couple of weeks, months, and so on. So zooming into the 15-minute chart here at the bottom, we've got the MACD indicator giving us positive vibes. So we've got blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected from Memecoin over the next 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, Memecoin should essentially have gone for an overall increase in value, but nothing too crazy. It's not going to be a major pump or a major bull run or anything like that. It is going to be a minimal increase in value, so do expect an overall gain, but in between that time it is likely to hit red candles in between, where it is likely to take a little bit of a dip, a step back in value before it gains value again. So my prediction is that it should be able to hit around 0.034 cents over the next 12 to 14 hours, potentially pushing it up to 0.035 cents. So as you guys can see, it's nothing major. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Still looking quite bullish, but the blue line is looking quite steep because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks that is going to keep going in that direction over the next few days and so on, meaning it is not that realistic, especially when it's looking a little bit steeper than usual. Meaning, from my prediction, guys, over the next 7 to 8 days, so let's say by the end of next week, I am expecting Memecoin to have gone for an overall drop in value. As you guys can see on the daily, on the 7 days chart, it has been dropping quite a bit, but since the 22nd of November, which was 3 days ago, it has been gaining value. But my prediction is that over the next week or so, so let's say by the end of next week, it should potentially drop below the 3 cents target is what I'm expecting. But again, that does not mean that it's going to be a major crash, because 3 cents is literally here. So I'm expecting it to drop just below that target. Somewhere in between here is where I'm expecting Memecoin to be trading at towards the end of next week. So again, that doesn't mean that from today onwards it's going to be hitting red days consistently over the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It is likely to hit green days in between as well. It's going to be up and down, quite volatile, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So yes, do expect an overall minimal drop in value from Memecoin over the next week or so. Moving on to the 4-hour chart over the next month, what can we expect? Again, the blue and the orange line are still looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So an overall minimal gain in value is what is expected from Memecoin over the next month or so. So towards the end of the year, end of December, we should expect Memecoin to be trading just about 4 cents, guys. Not again, it's not going to be a major pump, so just over 4 cents is what where I'm expecting Memecoin to be trading at towards the end of this year. But again, do expect a bumpy ride up and down, because if we zoom out to the monthly chart, we can see that it's been quite volatile up and down, but it has been moving towards a positive direction as it is 20% up. So it is likely to carry on in a similar pattern over the next month, quite up and down, but the overall outcome seems to be positive. pumping up to around just over 4 cents is what I'm expecting. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Again, the MACD indicator has disappeared, meaning the long-term prediction is not possible. Only reason for this is because there is not much historical data on the crypto, as there isn't much candlesticks here, meaning the crypto was initially listed, let's have a look here, on the 13th of November, which was just about 2 weeks ago, or the 3rd of November maximum, meaning 20 days ago, meaning that's not that much data for us to do the long-term prediction on, meaning I am going to stick to the short-term prediction for Memecoin. But as mentioned in my previous videos, going into 2024, I'm not expecting anything huge from Memecoin. In fact, I'm expecting it to drop back down to below 2 cents in target by, let's say, to early 2024, guys. I'm not expecting anything huge. So again, for those of you guys, before I go any further, just a little announcement for my Telegram group chat. For those of you guys who are interested, the link to my Telegram group chat will be in the description box down below. It is currently on offer, usually $29.99, but using discount code DEC10 you get 50% off to make it $14.99. However, this is limited to a certain number of people and for a certain time as well, so make sure you're quick if you guys want to join. Just to give you guys a brief explanation on what happens once you sign up, you're going to get put into 2 group chats. The first one is just a general chat where you guys, I'm going to put regular updates on the crypto market, what to expect, what to predict, as you guys can see here. Don't worry about the figures of Bitcoin, this is an old screenshot, and you guys can also ask any analysis and prediction on other cryptocurrencies. The second chat that you get put into is another chat where I'll be showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. However, I'm into crypto for the long term, not for the short term, so it's not on a regular basis that I buy and sell. I get in at a good price and I sell at a good price as well. But yeah, link to the chat is in the description box down below. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 100% in the last 24 hours, making it $284 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. Yes, it's pumping, it is getting a lot of attention right now, and it is indeed in the top gainers list, the 3rd top gainer in the last 24 hours, meaning a lot more people are interested in the crypto. We're seeing a lot more buyers as well as a lot more sellers. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. Before I end the video, I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.